Tired of dealing with sticky notes and paper clutter all over your fridge or workspace? It's time to upgrade with the Magnetic Whiteboard Contact Paper. This flexible, adhesive dry erase board sticker is easy to apply. Just peel, stick, and you're ready to go. Perfect for your home office or any wall, this 47 by 70 inch board provides plenty of space for lists, notes, and creative ideas. And when you're done, it's easy to wipe clean and start fresh. Plus, the removable magnetic sheet lets you stick it anywhere and move it as needed. My tip is to use the tube that the whiteboard was rolled around to help unroll it more easily. Stay organized and creative with the Magnetic Whiteboard Contact Paper, your ultimate solution for a clutter-free, efficient space. The best part is, you don't need a holder for the markers or the eraser. They have small magnets that let them easily attach right to the board. It's not just for keeping our work organized, it's also perfect for our little one, who's currently practicing her writing. Get yours today and transform your space with ease.